Hello everyone. Welcome back to another new course that I am launching today. Uh, I'll be running two courses simultaneously. Basically, one is competitive programming. In other hand, I'll be running web development. That is full stack web development. Hello, my name is MD Musfiq Alam. I have done my computer science and engineering from Triple IT Kalyani, and I'm here to teach you web development, full stack web development. So basically, today you will need to know what is web development. So let's begin. Uh, Getting a start. So web development is the process of building and maintaining a website. So have you ever visited the Facebook? That is a website, right? For the internet or an internet that is accessed through a web browser and hosted on a server. Basically, what is web development? Web development is something it's like you build a website and that will be hosted somewhere and it will be accessed through the internet. Suppose that Facebook is a website you are accessing through the internet. That is called web development. So there is a definitely there will be a roadmap to become a full stack web developer. There are two types of web developer. You can be a front end developer, you can be a back end developer, as much as your desire. So I'll be teaching you full stack web developer. Full stack, that means back end also with front end and back end. So what is front end? Front end is something like suppose that you are accessing Facebook, right? So whatever you seeing in the page in Facebook page, someone else posted the photo, someone else commented, someone else liked, someone else posted something. These are front end. Whatever the data in the backend you don't know, so that is backend, and whatever see you in the front end, that is front end. So this is the roadmap of front end. So how you can be a front end web developer. So in front end, just you'll have to learn the basic of HTML and CSS. HTML is basically hypertext markup language. So basically whatever written in the website, suppose in Facebook, your name is written, your name is suppose that Rohit posted a photo. So that is HTML, that is written by HTML. And CSS stands for cascading style sheet. That means whatever the colors in the website, something is blue tick, something is red, something is yellow, colorful. To making the colorful the web page is that time we will use CSS, that is called cascading style sheet, right? And then we will learn JavaScript. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is basically a scripting language. Suppose that you are visiting a website and you'll have a something form. So you need to fill the form. You have filled your name, fill your date of birth, fill your age, everything. After that, you just submitted a submit button. And suppose that you have left your male or female, something like that. So if you have left something, whenever you are going to submit the form, you will get a pop-up that your male female section is empty. That is handled by JavaScript. So basically that is for notification and all other things. After the JavaScript, it has many type. We will go into the deeper uh, each by each. And CSS has also framework, so many frameworks you can do. You can animate, you can do everything. I'll teach you later. So let's move. And this is the roadmap of backend database design. So backend is something like that. Suppose that you are visiting in YouTube, you are viewing videos, you are liking some videos, you are visiting in Facebook, you are liking somebody's photos, you are sharing somebody's videos, but you don't know where the videos are stored, where the videos are going for. So that is called backend. What happens in the front end you know, but what happens in the backend you don't know. So that is called the backend. So that is the backend process. So if you wanted to learn the backend, you can go with the Python, you can go with the PHP, you can go with the Ruby, you can go with the Node.js. So I'll be going through this Node.js. After that, I'll teach you the frameworks of Node.js, that is uh, Express.js and all other thing. And we will you can also go through the C, .NET, Java, and you can also go through another so many things, web server, REST APIs, all other things. We will go into the deeper each by each. You will learn everything. Okay. So let's talk about career in web development. So you will think about what is the career in web development. If I'm learning the web development, what is the career in the web development? So basically, listen, the world is like witnessing great growth in web technology and IT sectors. Web technology companies dominate this world, right? Facebook, you know what? Facebook, thousand millions of people are using Facebook. So you know how it is important. So a career in a web development has a great scope in the current scenario. In the current scenario, suppose you wanted to run a business. So you need a software. So you wanted to build a software. So you will just design a website. From your website, somebody will query you like, okay, suppose you are opening a store like Flipkart. You are selling something. So somebody will order something and you will get that. Furthermore, every organization today requires a digital presence, and a website is a basic requirement. Basically, in small businesses and the big businesses, everywhere, website is basic requirements in this scenario, in this internet world. Thus, the field has immense scope today. There is huge scope in web development and future, as this need to digitize budget penetrates the economic sector. So to grow the economic sector, we definitely we need web development, right? So if a student interested in computers, if you are interested in a computers and coding, web development, choose from many courses that range from short term to degree programmers. Like you can do computer science and engineering, you can do bachelor of computer application. If you know mathematics, if you are from background there like science stream, you don't need to do computer science engineering, you can do that. So there are various aspects of web development: backend, front end, UI designer, database, etc. Recent developments in this field include using new technologies and tools to make the website appealing and easy to use. So recent many technology are coming to use the web application frequently and uh, making cool websites. As you can see, Meta is growing Facebook. So job and salaries, this is the main point. So suppose you are learning something, definitely you will have the question in your mind, what will be the job and what will be the salary expectation. So if you are learning for your purpose, like I wanted to do something, I wanted to grow my business, that's better. If you wanted to do the job, if you have the degree like computer science and engineering and bachelor of computer application, you can find a job. Because if you wanted to do a job, you need a degree, right? And if you wanted to be a freelancer, there is another option, freelancing. If you wanted to be a freelancer, that is also a great option. Like if you are learning the web development, I don't know, I don't have an idea about the freelancer because I even never did the freelancing. But I can say definitely you can earn per day 1K or 2K, something else, depends on the project. So based on experience, a full stack developer salary in India for a fresher is 3,75,000. That is minimum salary. If you are experienced 1 year or 1 year to 4 year, then definitely it is 5,53,000, approximately 6 lakh per annum, right? And if you are experienced 12 to 14 If you are experienced 5 to 9 years, if you have the experience in web development of 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 8 years, up to 9 years, then you will be getting 12 to 14 lakhs per year. It depends on the company. Somebody else is offering more than that. If you are getting a job in Google or Microsoft, you will get 20 to 30 LPA. But I don't know. But I can guarantee you, you will get a job minimum of 5 LPA. Uh, th- that is the all about that. And so I'll be talking about the HTML. So how website is designed. The first part of the web development is to learn HTML. What is HTML? Whatever see in the website, whatever the content you are viewing in the website, whatever the written in the website, that is designed by the HTML. HTML stands for hypertext markup language, right? uh, as you can see here, it consists of series of elements. It displays the tables, it displays the rows and all other things. It displays the paragraph and all other things. Let's talk about CSS. Earlier I said CSS is cascading style set. So definitely I can tell you in Hindi, like वेबसाइट को रंग बिरंगे करने के लिए होते हैं ये बेसिकली। वेबसाइट में जो है उनको हम रंग बिरंगे करते हैं कास्केडिंग स्टाइल शीट से। And the JavaScript. JavaScript stands for scripting language. Scripting in the sense like suppose that you have visited some website and you want to quit, right? So you are closing a tab, but you have left something. Whenever you are going to quit the website page, that is pop up something message, okay, don't quit, something is left. So this is the language to this is object oriented. Object oriented, that means you can say like object whatever the object in the web pages, that will be oriented with the language and it will work with that. And the React is basically a free and open source front-end JavaScript library for building user interfaces based on user interfaces components. It is maintained by Meta. Basically, Facebook इसको maintain करता है, and a community of individual developers and companies. So React is also a best framework, and Node.js is also a framework for the backend. And MongoDB. Let's talk about this thing. MongoDB is a database, right? So suppose you are viewing videos on YouTube, right? So you don't know where the videos are uploaded, where the videos are comes from. Suppose you are uploading a photo, so that photo uploading, people are viewing your photo, but you don't know where the photo is stored. So that is the database design. That is backend that means पीछे का भाग आपको नहीं पता है, पीछे क्या होता है नहीं पता है, सिर्फ आप आगे की चीजों को देख पाते हैं. So it's all about, okay, thanks folks, stay tuned. I'll be teaching each and every you need to learn about web development. Do not worry, stay tuned. You will find uh, in my channel. Subscribe my channel, you will get it and you will enjoy it. You don't need anything, you just need to some, if you are 10th pass, basically you can also learn. If you are 12th pass, you can also learn. If you are from the background of science, that is better, that you can learn easily and you can grow your business, you can build a website, you can build an application, and you can grow whatever you can find a job, you can be a freelancer. So that is the best thing if you wanted to do. So I was thinking to help others, that's why I just created the course. uh, so thank you, we'll meet you in the course.